uMandela wayepresident wesingakhi leSouth Africa unisho ngesingisi.
Imali ufuna ngikutshela ukuthi uqala upresident.
Usho ngesingisi unisho into engishoyo.
Awuphindi?
uMandela wayepresident wesingakhi leSouth Africa.
Mandela. Awuko uphinde ugcina bese.
uMandela wayepresident wesingakhi leSouth Africa isho ngesingisi.
Ngisho ngeEnglish.
Ngicabanga ngayo.
Mandela. What number? Was Nelson Mandela?
Mandela is first person.
Nakusho njalo.
Uthangisho
uthini imani bo nifuna ukuthi sikhulume
ngesingisi
isiZulu ufuna ukuthi sikhulume ngesingisi
isho indlela yakho ucabanga ngayo singiyiphinde bo.
Listen carefully.
uMandela wayepresident wesingakhi leSouth Africa isho ngesingisi.
Mandela was
Come look at this.
Yebo which number?
I check them buzo.
Mandela president wesingakhi ngifisa ngikwazi ukisho lento le.
Ayisho
Uphinde ugcina ke impela ke manje phinda lena.
Okay. uMandela wayepresident wesingakhi.
Mandela was which number?